guys.
Hi guys. Today, what we're gonna do, Maya?
We're going to find some deer.
Yeah.
No.
Hi.
Such a nice person, aren't I?
Such a nice person.
Yeah, we're coming. Can you see this? Just had a fight with some boys and girls, didn't I, Elsie? Yeah. These boys and girls are picking on Elsie, so I started to join in.
Yeah.
And they got. I said, stop being nasty, and they started swearing and everything. And I said it a bit back.
Guys, let me just add caution. Do not swear in front of our YouTube channel.
No.
That's number 1. Number 2.
Hate you, Chris.
Number 2, do not bully in our YouTube channel.
No.
Number 3, don't disturb us. And number 4, you can talk to us. Yeah. So
Yeah, but they were being really nasty to you, weren't they? They were trying to make you fall off the tree, weren't they?
Yeah.
So I stepped in.
And don't.
Kept on swearing at her and everything. I swear, if you scale us again, Chris, I'll kill you. So for this, innit? Yeah.
Wow.
Ow! Ah, the stubbed his toe. I think I slammed it. Where are you, dear? Where are you? Thank you.
Can I go? Can I jump?
It's the water.
Wait, can I jump?
Yeah, right. I don't know, but I don't know how to zoom. I don't know how to zoom.
Look at the white ones over there.
There's white ones over there. Oh my god, how the heck did it get out there?
Film it.
I am!
Stop.
I don't think you can see it. Oh.
Stop.
There's deer!
Look at that. Oh look, that's a woman one. It's handy.
There's some there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then I was like, it's really scary if you came in here at night time.
Oh.
Look at them, they're all cool. They must have been on the outside of the fence. Oh, they are. They must be female ones or something. Ah, thank you. Oh yeah, they're just chilling there, aren't they?
Girls are so adorable and lightly than the boys.
Look cute, don't they?
I want to be a deer. It's not
Where are
fair.
they all gone?
Yeah! It's like Bambi.
One of them stayed, look, it's like, I'm not going, I'm staying here,
I
man.
can't be bothered to run. Let's get some shade.
Look, let's hide behind the tree. Do you think they can see me? Told you?
We all go.
Then they're like, we're going.
No, I think they're noticing.
Follow Whitey, follow Whitey.
No, I think they noticed that their child's gone, so they're following them.
That's it.
What about all the boys then?
They'll run off that way now because they're all safe.
Bye,
boys.
boys.
Put their heads up, up and down, up and down. You can see them going boing, 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 boing.
Well, we can't get through there. Well,
You know those horned
overgrown.
deers, they can actually try and kill you if you wave at them, so don't. Hey!
God, it's crazy.
Boys!
we got some good footage anyway. I think if we go nearer, they're going to just run maybe down
The
there.
opposite way. I love deers.
See what happens when we start walking toward them a little bit.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because a deer was hurt.
Yes.
Doesn't notice us yet. Hi guys, And we're just heading home because there's my junction and there's not that much cars. And I'm gonna go home. So I want to say, guys, keep safe and bye.
Sorry, Callum. Afternoon, you. It's John and Shrew getting all the biggest hits on, and I know you would love to go and check out some amazing live music. I'm going to say Katy Perry really soon, which I'm really excited about, trying to buy a ticket to see Jay-Z and Beyonce. But I would love to get my hands on a ticket to this. If you fancy seeing the biggest hits live this summer played by your favourite artists, you know where you need to be.
Yeah, not bad. Take care. See you later, mate. See you later, Nick. Keep your ass at Tom. Yeah.
Bye, Nick.
Fancy seeing that little lot throwing it all there in the sweat. Artists on the Making Waves stage.
I think this is the biggest video we've ever made, isn't it?
Control, push the button gate. And what's more, you can leave £41 richer as one passenger. Well, with a guarantee
We're waiting for somebody, are we?
£1,000 on the trip. Find out more and book your places at vikingfm.co.uk/party.
I think something's wrong. I think it's gonna happen.
The Better Bathrooms Better Than Half Price Anniversary event is now on, and right now
Get him running.
there's up to
Cheers, mate.
70%
Thank
off
you.
all our bathrooms and tiles in store. With thousands of products to choose from and our flexible finance options, you'll be sure to find your dream bathroom. Because better days start in a better bathroom. Find your
Thank you very much, mate.
It actually took me only 53 seconds. Not that it's a race. So if you want to find out how much your car's worth, or just want to beat my time, enter your reg number now at webuyanycar.com. I think I might give